The best hangover remedies, what works and what doesn't. There's nothing quite like the morning after a night of heavy drinking. You wake up feeling groggy, dehydrated, and nauseous. The pounding headache doesn't help either. Some people swear by certain hangover remedies, but do any of them actually work? First, let's talk about what causes a hangover in the first place. Alcohol is a diuretic, which means it makes you pee more than usual. This can lead to dehydration, which is one of the main culprits behind that hangover headache. Alcohol also irritates the lining of your stomach, which can cause nausea and vomiting. So, what can you do to alleviate these symptoms? Here are some of the most popular hangover remedies. Drink water. This may seem obvious, but it's important to rehydrate your body after a night of drinking. Aim to drink at least 1 glass of water for every alcoholic beverage you consumed. This will help flush out toxins from your body and minimize the severity of your hangover. Eat a hearty breakfast. While you may not feel like eating, it's important to give your body some fuel. Opt for foods that are easy on your stomach, such as toast, eggs, and bananas. Avoid greasy or spicy foods, as they can exacerbate nausea. Take painkillers. Over-the-counter painkillers such as ibuprofen or aspirin can help alleviate headaches and body aches caused by a hangover. However, be careful not to take too much, as this can damage your liver. Get some rest. Your body needs time to recover after a night of heavy drinking. Try to get at least 8 hours of sleep, and avoid strenuous activities until you're feeling better. While these remedies may provide some relief, there's no magic cure for a hangover. In fact, some remedies can actually make things worse. Here are some things to avoid. Hair of the dog. Drinking more alcohol in the morning may temporarily alleviate your symptoms, but it will ultimately make your hangover worse. Coffee. While caffeine may help you feel more alert, it can also dehydrate you further and exacerbate your headache. Miracle cures. There are countless products on the market that claim to cure hangovers, from pills to patches to 4 drips. However, there's little scientific evidence to support their effectiveness. The best way to cure a hangover is to prevent one in the first place. Drink in moderation, alternate alcoholic drinks with water, and eat a meal before or during drinking. But if you do find yourself nursing a hangover, stick to the tried and true remedies: hydration, food, painkillers, and rest. Your body will thank you.